Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to open HTML files on iPhone. First, let's go to our App Store and we are going to search for an app called Coder. So type it in on the search bar and you should be able to see this Coder Code Editor app. So install this one, and once it has been installed, open the app. And at the bottom left part, you should be able to see the plus icon. Tap on that and select import files from our files app. From here, select your HTML file. I'm gonna select this one and click on open at the top right. And you should now be able to see the HTML file on the list. Simply select that one, and in here you can then edit it from your phone. And if you want to preview it, you can click on the view icon or this eye icon at the top, and you can then preview it on how it looks on a website like that. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.